It began with a vision to take a beautiful 1930s home, full of character but divided by tiny disconnected rooms, and transform it into an open, light-filled space that looks and feels good. First, we opened up the space by removing walls, then reinforced the structure with steel beams and stronger framing. With the structure secure and layout redesigned, we restored original Remu timber, prepared for the new kitchen, and readied all surfaces for a clean, modern finish. And now, after weeks of hard work and dedication, it's finally ready. Where there were once cramped walls, there is now an expansive, light-filled living space. The original character of the villa now blends seamlessly with modern design, creating that perfect flow our client dreamed of. The beautiful Remu detailing has been brought back to life, honoring the home's history. The new layout connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas into one cohesive space, perfect for modern life.